Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to source for the hottest rides and latest automotive innovations. Today, we're taking a bold turn into the world of performance trucks with the reveal of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Pickup Truck. That's right, Chevy has taken the legendary Corvette platform and reimagined it as a performance-driven utility vehicle. Combining supercar DNA with real-world functionality, the Corvette Pickup is here to redefine what it means to drive a truck. Let's dive into what makes this unique machine a head-turning game-changer. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Corvette Pickup instantly commands attention with its aggressive, low-slung design. Chevy has preserved the sleek, sculpted lines of the C8 Corvette while adapting the rear to accommodate a functional truck bed. The result is a fusion of exotic styling and utility with a carbon fiber-reinforced cargo area, wide rear haunches, and aerodynamic enhancements throughout. Available in a range of striking finishes, including signature Corvette reds, blues, and stealthy matte options, the design blurs the line between track weapon and lifestyle vehicle. Performance and powertrain. Staying true to its Corvette roots, the pickup is powered by a mid-mounted 6.2L LT2 V8, delivering 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, unheard of in the pickup segment. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and available performance upgrades like magnetic ride control, the Corvette Pickup is just as capable on the track as it is on the street. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with an advanced all-wheel drive system optional for added grip and control. Chevy engineers have fine-tuned the chassis to maintain balance and stiffness, making it as agile as it is powerful. Utility and technology. This isn't just a novelty, Chevy's Corvette Pickup brings real utility to the table. The short bed is lined with durable composite materials, ideal for weekend gear, bikes, or light-duty hauling. The cabin offers premium comfort with leather-trimmed sports seats, a fully digital cockpit, and a customizable infotainment system. Features include wireless smartphone integration, heads-up display, advanced navigation, and an upgraded Bose sound system. Safety tech is equally strong, with lane assist, emergency braking, and adaptive cruise all included. Conclusion. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Pickup Truck is more than a wild idea, it's a bold vision of performance and practicality colliding in spectacular fashion. For those who crave supercar speed but live a utility-driven lifestyle, this Corvette offers the best of both worlds. Whether you're hitting the track or hauling your weekend toys, this truck delivers unmatched thrill and unmistakable style. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more exciting first looks, reviews, and deep dives into the world's most innovative vehicles.